Hello, my name is Colin and I'm currently learning Python as my certification. I'll be demonstrating some fun things you can do with Python. One cool feature is that there is a part of Python called Turtle, which allows you to draw many different shapes and images using some of the easier commands in Python. Here I have a blank Python file where we can start writing some code. Turtle is amazing because it lets you customize almost everything. Because Turtle is a Python library, we have to import it and store it as a variable. I'll store it as t so it's easier to type. We can start making a simple star by typing t.forward 100 and t.left 144. T.forward determines the length of each line, so the bigger number means the bigger shape, and t.left determines how far we want to turn to the left in degrees. This also works with turning right. For an image of a star to be created, we need to copy and paste this 5 times. We can see that when the drawing is finished, the window immediately closes, so we need to add a t.done to the end to keep it open. We can make this look a little nicer by adding a loop. We can use while true to specify that we want the loop to end when a condition is met. In this case, we want it to end when the star is completed, so we can write if absolute value of t position minus start position is less than 1, break. This means that if the 2 lines meet, then the shape is completed and we just stop the loop. This also means that we need to create a variable at the top called start position. We'll set this equal to t.position because we want to know what the starting point of the star is so that we know when to stop there. We can also fill in the star with a color by using fill commands. We start with t.fillColor to specify which color we want. We can use red for an example. Then, before we start the loop, we add t.begin_fill to say when we want to start filling. And then we can put t.end_fill after the loop to say that we don't want to fill anything else after this. If you have a lot of shapes or are creating a complex image, you might want to create a function for this. So we can indent all of this code and type define star and then if we run this, we can see that nothing happens. However, if we go to the bottom and type star, we can see that it shows up. Fortunately, there is a problem with Turtle where if you have a shape with multiple different sections, not all sections will be filled. This is a known problem and should be fixed soon. There are many other things you can do with Turtle, however, I'll let you discover those on your own. Have fun!